welcome to episode 14 of BillDaKat and Lady Adelie, joined by Airs Girl 34, playing Terraria Expert Mode. You might notice that she has a different character. That's because she's actually on her laptop, not my spare laptop today. First things first, it's my birthday today. We're not going to sing that because that's just obnoxious and you don't want to hear us sing.
I know, we could sing it like they do at your mom's church.
Oh, the
horror show?
The horror show? Yeah, it sounds like that, seriously.
It's the most unenthusiastic happy birthday. It's so
real quick, I'm going to open 2 herb bags. I got a bunch of seeds and other crap I really didn't care about. But we also off camera killed the king slime. So I got this treasure bag and I'm about to use it. Bam. So I got, whoa. I didn't mean to do that. Let's see here. We got a solidify. I got a solidifier. I got a slime gun. I slimed you. Doesn't do anything other than that.
One of these days I'll pee on you, so.
Got a king slime mask, so I can be running around like this. I don't think I'll do that though. A ninja hood, a ninja shirt, and royal jelly.
Down there.
I forgot my controls.
That's okay.
Oh, there we go.
So we're about to have a quick piece of cake tasting on camera, just because, well, not on camera, but on mic. We have a peanut butter cup cake from the local bakery that's chocolate cake and peanut butter buttercream icing.
Oh no.
Oh dear Lord, that's good. Rich,
as if there was
moist,
doubt that it would be good.
And peanut buttery. And
I
don't care what anybody says on the internet.
My coworker would hate it.
Good. And I don't care what anyone says on the internet. I like the word moist when it comes to when you apply it to cake.
Moist.
Moist. Anyway, as you can see, we built a Coliseum. We finished up the Coliseum off camera. I also upgraded a couple bridges, because why not? So this is a Dynasty Wood bridge, and then, well, the brick bridge is the same as it ever was. And I'm going to take another bite of cake, because I know that's quality entertainment for you YouTubers.
They're just jealous because they can't have any.
I made a glass bridge.
Aries girl, come this way.
Oh, okay.
A granite bridge. Yeah, go to the house.
Oh, I'm in the house.
Let's see if there's any useful.
And then I made a living wood bridge over here because, well, it seemed like the thing to do at a time. And we removed the living wood tree because, yeah, it was kind of pathetic. If it had been like a really, really big one, it would have been cool to keep, but...
Wait, no, don't go away yet. We're going to give you some things so you don't die
instantaneously.
Or something to cover.
You know what? I'm tempted
Maybe I like dying.
I am tempted to switch to the ninja armor because now it's a throwing weapon armor.
Speaking of that, maybe we should explain how it's actually armor now.
Oh yeah, before the ninja hood and stuff wasn't very good armor. It was basically just a vanity set. Maybe had 1 or 2 defense. Now it's as good as the silver armor I'm wearing. I think I'm wearing silver armor. Let me double check that. Yes, the silver chainmail is 4 defense, and a ninja shirt is 4 defense, but it also helps you with throwing damage. So you know what? I'm gonna switch to that. Oh, can you give me the ninja pants that you got, dear?
Here, I'll give her the boomerang that I used to have.
Wait, there's the armor chest.
Oh, damn it, you picked it up.
I'm me too.
Trying to give her the boomerang.
Okay, good. Here. Okay.
And now I'm going to come over and help her get hay. The Facebooking.
Hey, just for a second.
No more seconds. I will spray you with
It may
slime
cause you
gun.
problems to have going
Yeah,
back and forth
going
with
back
the
and forth too
minimizing.
much.
Right. Now, this you can just leave. Actually,
Okay, also...
get rid of this.
Oh, I didn't know.
That's just obnoxious. That goes down there. Did I go in there? Okay. And then,
There we go.
well, if you click on this little guy here, that thing,
Oh,
that's the place where equipment goes.
Okay.
Drag this over to here.
one of the things I
Like
also
that.
got was this flying
Over there.
pig chest,
The pants over
which
the
can
pants
come with
over.
me, and I can have extra
Get out.
inventory slots because
This lets
of.
you be able to do double
Which is kind of
jumps
nifty,
now.
but
So you can,
Okay.
if you like, so now you make a little poof. And
Oh,
then
cool.
the other thing, if you're falling, now like wherever your, the little arrow, your cursor, you can grappling hook onto things.
Oh, cursor.
So like
So
your little, I can't see where you were off screen.
Okay.
See the little arrow here, like, if you're moving along,
mumble,
you
mumble,
hit
mumble.
E.
I'm gonna eat some more cake.
now you grab onto stuff.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
And then you just, like jump off when you want to jump off.
That works.
So now if you're falling down something, you can try to save yourself with the grappling hook.
Okay.
Is the flying piggy a monster?
No, the flying piggy is a chest, actually. Oh, wait, come back here.
I'm touching the flying piggy.
I don't know if you can get into it, can you?
Yeah, I clicked on it. Can you make it follow you?
No, it just hangs out. I'm gonna get you one of the hats that we have that provide light, real quick. Bam, put that on.
Okay.
Yeah, because every time you fell into the dark places, you were like, I'm dead, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, and that'll help. Oh, I also got a
that's
slime
fine.
saddle. I didn't notice I got a slime saddle. Means I can do 8. No, wait. How do you do? Oh, wait.
There's a place for that in the equipment slot for mounts.
That's right. Don't know how to mount up, though.
Do you think we need a cart for her if we come across axe?
Oh, yeah, we should make one of those. Also,
Oh, wait. Boomerang's a weapon?
yes, the boomerang's
Yes,
a weapon
the boomerang
here.
is what. Sorry, I forgot to. He gave it to you, so.
Ah. Shiny.
And it'll do a lot more damage than whatever you had before, so.
Ow.
Okay,
It's a pretty.
I
decent
just gave
weapon.
you something called a magic mirror.
Where does that go?
You want to put it down here
What's
in
it
your
do?
normal inventory. If you take it out of your inventory and click it into space, it'll take you back to spawn, which
There's
you
a
need to
spawn in
go.
the bedroom.
Which you need to go right click the bed. Remember,
Oh, yeah. You don't want
new
that.
character, all that. We're working on it, people. Some other things that have happened that might be interesting to you guys. We tried Planters smoked almonds, and they're really tasty, but you don't want too many of them.
Aries girl thinks they taste like bacon.
They do taste like bacon, really.
I
They
was
taste
thinking
like
they tasted a little bit like beef jerky, but they don't have the texture of it, so it's just strange. But not in a bad way.
Piggy bank.
Oh,
Oh, where'd it go?
Oh, it probably despawned
Why?
because I wasn't paying attention to it.
Oh, it's in the basement. Amazing.
Oh, I need to summon my little slime.
Oh yeah.
We got a slime staff. That was the other thing that happened. Guess that was. Because yeah, we got that during fighting the king slime.
Did you make her
Or during the slime
do I
raid?
need to make her a minecart?
I don't know how it went. We all went into the
Okay.
minecart, so yeah.
I have no idea either. I just kind of make things. Bam. Oh, you're right next to me. There you go.
I generally just let you do the crafting.
Okay. Click on this. Yeah, and then you need to put it there.
Okay.
You see my pet penguin, Aries girl?
Yes.
My pet.
Isn't that
She
awesome?
follows me around, and they also have a little slime buddy that like attacks things for me.
Can I have a
And
pet duck or a pet pig?
No, you can't have. Pets are actually really hard to come by
Oh.
unless they've changed things.
Can you play the same character in multiple games and keep like all your stuff?
Yes,
Yes.
you could. We don't usually do that
Actually.
though.
Okay.
Because well, kind of half the fun is to start over again, you know.
I like building characters.
Oh crap!
What's shiny on the way?
What?
There's a shiny on the way.
Oh, it was nothing. I made too many bars of something, and so we ended up without any ore of it. So it won't
Yeah,
auto stack
now-
later.
You can also double jump now, so like if you hit spacebar twice, you can jump up higher.
That'll help.
Will, definitely.
So mine.
Oh, you know,
you need
well, no,
any
you have the
iron
grappling
and
hook.
any wood.
Could also give her climbing claws or something, I guess.
I'm probably.
Gave her
That's
a
for
shackle
later,
to kind
guys.
of help her defense.
Okay, so what do we want to do?
Stuff and things. Have a rich day.
My little slime
I'm
buddy
eating cake.
killed a...
Are those like shooting stars or something? They're not monsters.
Blue
Or
things?
what?
Yeah.
No, that's my water bolt. That's my weapon.
Oh, okay.
It's a magic weapon. It shoots water bolts. Water, but to hurt you because I'm friendly. And I hit bad things, monsters. You kill squirrel and a bunny.
Hello, bunnies. Let's see here. We were planning on killing the Eye of Cthulhu this game, but now that we have Air's Girl with us back,
It could be entertaining to watch me.
yes, but
Froggy.
if you're with, since you're in the game, it means that it'll be
Look at
stronger.
Ah.
Although,
I
you
caught
know
it.
what?
I have a net. I can catch things.
Didn't we have a summons for an eye?
Not that I'm aware of.
I thought we had
We
found
just
an
needed
eye.
to use the... No, we have life crystals.
Oh, well, yeah,
would
we
make
can
it
go ahead and
summon.
use those. I thought we had found the summon, though.
I don't remember there being a summon.
Well, I'm
I
double
think you're making
checking.
things up. Or
We
you
have
found
plenty
it-
of eyes. and we
Or,
can
you
make
know,
one.
you mentioned it and it was when I wasn't, saying, you don't always tell me the things you find.
Well, yeah, but I would have put it in a chest. And now I can't find it.
Yeah,
So
I find
obviously we
boomerang
don't
things,
have
Aries
one.
Girl.
But if I'm not
Boomerang.
mistaken, right down here, right near.
Everybody should look at Aries Girl's art on DeviantArt and then buy stuff from her. She's awesome.
Didn't we have an altar? The demon altar near here?
I don't know. I don't know where you are.
I'm on the elevator.
Oh, I don't know.
We're fighting eyeballs.
I remember seeing some, but I haven't really. Yeah, we're fighting the demon eyes.
Ooh, there's a heart. Hey, there's another eyeball. Yes. Come back here, eyeball.
Oh, I know where some are, so we can just. I'm walking toward you guys, so.
Okay. There's lots of eyeballs.
Yes, there are.
And they're not kidding me.
Well, you have a pretty
Yeah.
decent weapon right now, so
Yeah.
that helps.
Oh, and in the most recent
You don't even
patch
maybe
that
can,
we
like,
just
kinda
that
double
they
jump when
just
you
put
go
out
over bigger
today,
gaps like that.
they did
There
fix
you go. You know,
the
it's like,
problem
oh,
that people were getting credit for killing things they weren't killing.
Oh, that's good. I'm like, just because I'm near this lava pit doesn't mean I'm killing stuff.
Yeah, which was kind of cool, but at the same time completely
There's
broken.
Miss Aries Girl.
I'm over here fighting an elbow. Elbows.
Sometimes it's best just to kind of run and let things go.
Yeah, you don't have to kill
You don't
everything.
have to kill everything, yeah.
I'm just coming down here to make some eye summoners, so.
Change.
You're down in the jungle area, right?
Oh yeah, right before.
Yeah. First little jungle down hole.
There are two.
You can practice playing with your grappling hook. Hit E. For that. And release by like jumping. And or you can just, you know, grapple along.
Oh, I thought it was you for a second. I'm like, where's my grappling hook?
The purple thing for you. Yeah, I have a blue one.
Yeah, and I don't remember what color mine is. Mine's yellow.
But this is a good place for her to kind of practice, you know, how it works.
Yep.
Oh, I can't swing back and forth on it.
I mean, while you're grappled to a spot, you can try to grapple over to another spot.
Here's like if you go boink, you can go like that.
You know, as long as it's
You
within the
will,
reach.
but you will fall a little bit depending how far away the other thing is.
But and then sometimes it doesn't quite work as you'd like it to, but
Yeah.
it can save you if you're falling sometimes if you happen to remember that, oh yeah, I've got a grappling hook.
Okay,
Yeah.
so we got plenty of eye summoners, but let's just go exploring here for a little bit.
Alright.
Do we want to go into the jungle or away from the jungle?
I don't care. He's
Sorry.
there. He's going up here.
Oh, I'm just following you.
We're gonna have to grapple
jump
hook
or
up.
grapple.
Oops.
You want to be kind of like maybe further. You want to stand maybe
Okay,
like.
you want to be over here in order to grapple hook,
Grapple up.
and you want to hit this little
There you
nub
go.
that I just hit.
Love nub.
Yeah, because that has you under the nub. It's sort of annoying.
Okay,
Just
fine.
break the nub.
Here,
or
I'll
something.
it's
break
fine.
the nub.
And if you, there you go.
There you
Now
go.
you should be able
And
to
then
jump.
hop up.
Oh.
Double jump. And hit
Jump.
D at the same time. There you go. There you go.
Fish splash.
You were taking a bath? What?
That's right.
Double jump. Double jump in D. There you
D?
go.
Yeah, man.
While you're jumping, you kind of.
Yeah, I'm trying.
Takes
It's-
2 hands, really.
Doesn't agree with me.
No, well, sometimes, but you need to learn to hit space with your thumb, and
Well, I was hitting it with my thumb, but it still wasn't agreeing with me. It's not my fault.
I usually don't do it with my thumb. I usually just do it with my other hand because it's easier.
Okay.
Okay, let's go this way. Ooh, shiny.
What? That game.
It's too crazy to like.
Oh, there's a. Please get iron if you see it, because we're going to, instead of making a sky bridge like most people do, we're going to try to make it all out of minecart tracks.
It'll be an experiment, folks.
It also sounds like fun. You got,
there's still iron detected. Why?
Oh, that's dumb.
there's almost always iron detected. That's the problem with the detector thingy.
I had a big piece there that I just mined out. That's why I was up there.
Uh,
So, Got silver.
Ooh. Like silver.
Shiny.
Hey, shiny.
My little guy, he's like.
Oh no.
Excuse me, I hiccup.
Jump, jump.
Make sure you breathe if you need to. The little
Yeah.
bubbles indicate if you need to breathe.
I'm trying to. It's not letting me. There we go.
And you jump up above the surface of the water. And jumping from water sucks.
Yes, it is.
Because you don't jump as well.
Platinum detected nearby, huh? Copper.
Good shiny.
Oh, here he's girl. I actually got the elevator dug all the way down to hell. You were helping me with that last time.
This is true. Digging is fun.
Ores.
Platinum.
I got iron.
You want to get the kind of the stuff that's sparkling.
Oh, where you're at?
Yep. Well, I got it now, but
Oh.
it
Yeah,
was
not
like right
the,
here
not the
next
copper stuff, the other stuff. But anyway.
to- Well, she can get the copper she wants.
Okay.
Let's get a pack.
Yeah, I got iron and copper.
Got silver,
Yay, stuff.
zilber,
Wilbur?
zilber.
Oh.
Torches. You need to be there now.
Ooh. I found 7 silver and 94 copper.
There you did.
Ah! Is it 4? Yeah, it's 4. That's not. That's not. It hit me.
Pick the backgrounds where I can just stick the torches right to the background.
Actually, that's a pretty cool background. But we probably can't harvest it or anything.
Oh, why do I keep doing this to myself? Dear Lord.
Yeah, breaking it, but it doesn't actually.
Oh no, I'm gonna drown myself.
Well, you're not under the. You're not below the.
Oh,
your
no,
head's
okay,
not below the
that's-
surface of the water. You're okay.
No!
Try to jump up the other little, oh yeah. You have to hit
Press-
W.
Press W to
There you go.
climb up
And
it,
now,
and then
there you go.
Oh, there's a big fat slime over there.
yeah. Oh, it's got a potion in it. Swiftness potion. Okay, well, how did you get out of...
Oh!
Nope.
That was one strong zombie.
No, that was you falling to your death.
Oh. Well, I dropped
Yeah.
some money if you guys want it. There's like 22 silver.
Oh, gladiator leggings. What are these? 2 defense.
I can get there where you guys are at from the elevator, can I?
Yes. This is actually where we were the last time you were with us.
That's what I thought.
I feel like this
And they
looks-
nerfed
it looks
Medusa.
familiar. Oh, did they?
Yes.
Cool. Although I almost had her dead that one time, so there's that.
Well, the biggest way they nerfed her is she can't turn you to stone if
Damn it!
she can't actually see
Oh,
you.
you died too? Shit.
Yes.
Well, what's the fun of that?
I don't know. Eat more cake.
I already ate all my cake. It was
I
delicious.
ate slower.
I want to eat the entire cake. I will eat all your birthday cake.
No, don't eat my birthday. Don't eat all of my birthday cake.
You already got
Nurse
a
girl,
piece,
where are
dude.
you?
I'm in the elevator.
Oh, were you just going all the way down just to check it out?
Well, I didn't realize how far down that you guys...
I got it all the way to hell.
Oh. I think that might be where I am now.
I'll come down to protect you.
I just saw you.
Okay, I'll come back up then. Bye.
Hi.
Now, where's... Are you?
Oh, I'm up in the mushroom biome killing the salamander and accidentally letting a cave back in the bat in the elevator and
Here's
collecting
a
some
story for everybody.
mushrooms.
Last night.
Oh no. Oh no.
Grappling,
Oh, no.
grappling, E.
E.
You have to point your cursor at the wall.
I am. Oh, no, E. There we go.
Now you could kind of go back up, get back up the elevator by going, back and forth up it, at angles.
What'd she do? Did she break the rope?
She couldn't. No, she wasn't. I don't know.
Stop, no.
She wasn't able to. You should probably give her one of the things so she can grab on the wall and slide if she needs to. There's one
Dude.
that up in the chest. How far to get down here?
Pretty far.
Oh, hi, there you are.
Hello.
There we go. Oh, no.
No.
If you're lined up with the rope, hit W and you'll grab it.
Who? W.
Because you can
There
try
we
to
go.
line yourself. There you go.
That's easy.
Okay, but what I was wanting to do is come over here, finish my tunnel that I had started. And stop tempting me with a minor zombie, minor
So
skeleton.
you jump, but you also have to move your. There you go.
Oh
And
no.
move yourself in the direction you're jumping at the same time.
Okay.
Yay! You successfully have kept you alive.
Ooh, I'm gonna go play with that thing.
Oh, what? You want to play on what?
I was gonna go play with this one. Why am I stuck? Ooh, there was copper in the water. I bet it was green.